So today I'm going to show you how to make clean, precise grids in Photoshop. Perfect for layouts, guides, and design alignment. But before I walk you through the steps, there's one unexpected trick inside the Photoshop that instantly turns a messy workplace into a clean, perfectly aligned grid system. And most people don't even know it exists. It's kind of like an hidden setting that fixes everything smoothly. Once you see it, you'll wonder how you designed without it. I'll show you the part in a moment. First, open a new document in any size you prefer. Your grid will automatically adjust later. Most people start dragging shapes or lines manually, which is exactly why their grids end up uneven. Alright, here's the real workflow that makes everything snap into one place. First, select File on the top menu, then click New, give your file a name, set the width to 10, height to 10, and the resolution to 300. Make the background content transparent, then select Create. Now, click View on the top and turn on Rulers. Then pull guides to the center of the image, then select the Line tool, keep the fill in black, and set the line weight to however thick you want your grid lines. Drag out the lines we created earlier, then go to Edit, scroll down a bit, and choose Define Pattern. Give it a name and click OK. Now, go to the layer on the top, select New Fill Layer. Choose Pattern, then click OK. In the drop down, select the grid pattern you just made. You can even adjust the scale percentage depending on your needs. And that's it. In seconds, you build a reusable grid system that aligns perfectly every time. And that's how you create clean, professional grids in Photoshop without guessing or manually drawing everything from scratch. If this helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me what Photoshop trick you want next.